starting on the BBC apprenticeship for the art department.
I'm doing the community filmmaker with Maybe Shadika.
Today I'm starting as a costume assistant, a costume apprentice for the BBC.
I'm doing a costume assistant role.
I'm working with the art apprenticeship for BBC through Cyfle.
I'm nervous, a little apprehensive, just to see what the job entails and what I'll be doing throughout the year and working in the industry.
I'm really excited just to get into the industry because this is the quickest way I know, and I'm looking forward to it as well.
I'm feeling nervous, excited to do the course, and ready to go into a job role.
I was a bit anxious, I suppose, because I wasn't sure what to expect, whether we'd just be thrown in straight away or if there'd be like a nice progression, and I was so happy to see that there was a nice progression.
To be honest with you, I was a little bit nervous when I was coming down here, but now I've been down here, I've met everyone, we're settling in a little bit, and I'm really happy.
Everyone's so lovely and everyone's really easy to get along with, so I'm really looking forward to the year.